Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the ninza.co YouTube channel. I hope you're having a productive and successful trading day. In today's video, we're going to backtest the Super JumpBoo indicator, but with a special twist. We'll be testing its signals across multiple timeframes using the multi-timeframe fusion approach. First, let's open the indicator and enable the multi-timeframe fusion feature. For this setup, we'll define the time frame step by step as 300 tick, 400 tick, and 500 tick. Next, we'll add Super JumpBoo as the input for multi-timeframe fusion, allowing the indicator to capture and analyze signals across multiple timeframes. Here, when selecting the signal encoding, make sure to choose the correct type specific to Super JumpBoo. Signal state, *1 for bullish signals. And signal state, *1 for bearish signals. Next, in order to backtest signals across multiple timeframes, we'll be using a powerful tool called HelloWin. This is a specialized backtesting software that allows traders to accurately test and analyze signals based on historical market data. One very important detail to keep in mind during the backtesting process is to include commission costs. This ensures that the results are much closer to real-world trading, rather than just being theoretical numbers. In this case, we'll set the round-turn commission to 1 tick. This means that for every trade executed, HelloWin will automatically factor in the commission fee. By doing so, the backtest results will more accurately simulate live trading conditions, giving us a clearer picture of actual profitability, drawdowns, and the overall effectiveness of the strategy. Next, we'll start backtesting with the actual trade signals generated by multi-timeframe fusion, after it has identified and confirmed signals from Super JumpBoo across multiple timeframes. Next, we'll configure the set buy scenario to run our backtest. We'll add multi-timeframe fusion into HelloWin and use Signal Trade as the signal source. In the signal settings, make sure to set bullish 0.1, which corresponds to signal state 1 in Super JumpBoo on multi-timeframe. So the system only records buy entries when there's multi-timeframe bullish confluence. Next, we'll configure the set sell scenario to backtest short trades. The process is almost identical to the buy setup, but this time we'll assign bearish *1, which corresponds to signal state *1 in Super JumpBoo on multi-timeframe. This ensures that the system will only record and backtest sell entries when all selected timeframes align and confirm a bearish signal. Now let's move on to the backtesting process. Here, we'll be running tests over 2 different periods, 30 days and 75 days. We'll start with the 30-day backtest. This shorter time frame gives us a quick snapshot of how the system performs in the near term, allowing us to observe the stability of the signals and the initial effectiveness of the strategy before expanding to a longer test window. The equity curve looks quite impressive, showing a steady upward growth. Looking at the summary, we can see that the total profit reached $70.40, which is more than 4.5 times larger than the max drawdown of 1,045. This is a very solid result, showing a strong balance between reward and risk. In addition, the risk-reward ratio was maintained at 1.95. Which is a healthy level, demonstrating that the strategy not only delivers profitability, but also keeps risk under control. Next, we'll extend our backtest to cover 75 days. All of the conditions and parameters will remain exactly the same. The only change is that we're increasing the testing period. This allows us to see how the strategy performs over a longer time frame, giving us a better sense of its consistency and long-term reliability. The backtest results over 75 days remained stable and reliable. Total profit reached $13,000, which is about 4 times larger than the max drawdown of $3,300. This is a very encouraging ratio, showing that the strategy continues to perform well even over a longer testing period. Additionally, the profit factor was maintained at 1.35, which is quite a solid number and very respectable for a 75-day backtest. And with that, we've completed our walkthrough of backtesting multi-timeframe fusion together with Super JumpBoo over 2 periods, 30 days and 75 days, using HelloWin. The results clearly show that this strategy delivers not only attractive profit ratios, but also stability when tested across different time frames. This provides a strong foundation for us to continue refining and optimizing the approach for real trading. Join the HelloWin forum, where NINZaFamily traders come together to explore valuable trading knowledge and products. Click the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss our latest content.